If you've searched for InfoPath, chances are you're asking one of three questions. What is InfoPath? Is Microsoft InfoPath still supported? And what replaces MS InfoPath today? In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about InfoPath software, what it was, why organizations depended on it, and what you should be doing now. For many companies, MS InfoPath became the backbone of internal operations, powering HR requests, IT service tickets, onboarding forms, purchasing approvals, and compliance processes. At the time, InfoPath software made workflow automation accessible to business owners instead of developers. There were three main reasons InfoPath spread so quickly across organizations. Native integration with SharePoint. Visual Form Designer, no coding required. Fast deployment of business workflows. Teams could digitize processes in days instead of months. Because of this, many organizations built mission-critical systems using Microsoft InfoPath, systems that are still running today. And that leads to the big question: is InfoPath still supported? The reality is that Microsoft InfoPath is now considered legacy technology. Microsoft ended active development years ago and shifted focus toward modern Microsoft 365 platforms. While some environments still run MS InfoPath, there are important limitations. No future innovation, increasing compatibility risks, growing maintenance challenges, modern user experience gaps. So although InfoPath software may still function technically, organizations are now planning how to move forward. There are four main reasons companies are replacing InfoPath today. Aging architecture. InfoPath was built for earlier SharePoint environments. Poor mobile experience. Modern employees expect workflows to work anywhere. Maintenance complexity. Updating InfoPath forms often requires specialized knowledge. Microsoft 365 modernization. Organizations want scalable automation aligned with cloud platforms. As a result, businesses across HR, IT, finance, and operations are actively transitioning away from Microsoft InfoPath. So what replaces Microsoft InfoPath? Microsoft introduced newer tools like Power Apps, Power Automate, modern SharePoint forms. These tools are powerful, but many organizations discover they require more configuration, governance planning, or development effort than expected. Because of this, many companies are turning to dedicated InfoPath replacement platforms built specifically for Microsoft 365 environments. One example is NITRO Studio. NITRO Studio allows organizations to design modern SharePoint forms visually, automate workflows without complex coding, modernize existing InfoPath processes, keep users working directly inside Microsoft 365. Instead of rebuilding workflows from scratch, organizations can evolve their InfoPath software into modern automation while maintaining familiarity for users. The real goal isn't just replacing forms, it's improving the business processes behind them. You may still rely on InfoPath if SharePoint forms open in a legacy designer. Departments use older approval workflows, updates feel risky or difficult, or processes depend on XML form templates. Many organizations don't realize how much of their operations still depend on Microsoft InfoPath until modernization projects begin. If your organization still uses Microsoft InfoPath, the best first step isn't rebuilding everything immediately. Instead, inventory your existing InfoPath forms, identify business-critical workflows, and evaluate modern options inside Microsoft 365. A structured approach helps organizations transition away from InfoPath software safely while improving efficiency at the same time. If this video helped you understand InfoPath and what comes next, subscribe for more content on SharePoint, Microsoft 365 automation, and workflow modernization. And I'm curious, comment below, how many InfoPath forms does your organization still run? You might be surprised how common InfoPath still is today.